Hey guys, this is Bloody Reaper and Panther reporting in from GTA Online. If you will, please like and oh shit, that was a fail. Let's see if I can catch my bike before it rolls off the hill.
Wait for me.
Don't push it off the hill. Don't push it off the hill.
So are you recording?
All right. Yes, I am. All right, he's on there with you. All right.
On the move.
Let's go back around, Panther. Alright, since I screwed that introduction up, I'm gonna start over. And I'm not gonna stop recording, by the way. I'm not like other YouTubers that just sit there and record and try to get hilarious.
Are you the killer?
And we are currently waiting on Kozar George. We are currently on GTA Online PS3. If you will, please like, subscribe, and have fun watching. What the fuck are you doing, Panther? You beat your ass bike up?
My car can't make it up there.
God. Fuck it. 3, 2, 1.
My car can't make it up.
Let's go, Panther. Oh, fuck! I knew that was gonna happen. Fuck. My bad, killer. Fuck, I thought I could land it. Panther, did you die? What happened to your mic, buddy? Did your mic die?
Yeah, so I need to push. I need to push my car.
Dude, we're on bikes. How the fuck do you expect us to push it?
Never mind. Well, I can't. How do I get up there?
Fucking gun it and don't stop. How do you think we got up there?
I'm in my cruise mode, though. Keep on, it's barely even go.
I'm coming. Hold on, kill.
It barely is going up there. After you made it.
Alright, I'm currently climbing back up the hill. I don't know where Panther went. I think Panther went down to the bottom. But let's turn around and let's go find him. Panther, I'm on my way. I don't know where you're at, so watch out. Shit! Fuck. I shouldn't have done that. Fuck, where's my... Hold on. Hello? Panther. Panther. Hey, Kill, bring my bike down. Kill. Kill, can you hear me? Koza. Kill, can you hear me? Panther, can you hear me? Panther. Can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me? Panther.
What?
Alright. Why the fuck Kozar leave?
Dude, can you still hear me? Fucking Reaper?
Yes, can you hear me?
Dude, yeah, I can, and I don't like repeating myself on fucking videos, but kept on saying it. But anyways, dude, there's something up with my mic. Okay, so did you hear any buzzing sounds? Like,
No, I didn't.
static sounds? Okay, so when I went to my mic, it was completely all the way up to the red, and it used like mine, like it was just echoing, kinda.
What the
My
fuck?
mic was just like spazzing out. Man. It's my old mic though, and it is kind of broke. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
I think I'm about to change to my Bluetooth.
Hey, you need to be in front of me. I'm still screaming.
Alright, dude, I'm gonna change my mic.
Alright. Go ahead, I'm going down the mountain then. God damn it.
Reaper,
Yeah, what's up?
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright. Dude, did everybody leave? Oh no. Still in here.
Kill's still in here.
Why did Kozar leave anyway?
I don't know. Probably being a pussy ass little bitch because he couldn't climb the mountain in his fucking Kuma.
Do you think I should just put it on race?
Backflip. Yeehaw, boys. Oh shit, I'm dead. Well, I landed the backflip and I died. I mean, I guess that's a plus for me.
Dude, this mic is like weird too. I don't know, man. I need to get a new mic. I have the receipt, so I mean, I can return it.
Return what?
So this mic, because it's fucking spazzing out. This
Yeah.
new mic, dude. This fucking new mic.
Bring your mic spazzing out.
No, dude, it's not like spazzing out. It's just like, do you know how like you're talking over a radio and like, you know, like you go out of connection?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like sometimes when I'm playing. Depends on how close. Dude, take away your mic from your mouth.
My bad.
Alright.